Namaskar dosto. Today is 29th May 2021. Welcome to my channel Trade Plan Nifty. This channel is my journey in stock market where on this specific video on daily basis I disclose my trade plan for Nifty, review my trade and share my MTM and learning at end of the video. I hope these discussions will add value to your trade setup and trading ideas. So this is a weekly wrap video for Nifty. But before we get into Nifty, let's see how the global markets are looking. So on Friday, it looks like that S&P 500 was showing some sign of weakness, but it eventually recovered quite well, and it closed in green. And as of now, we do not see any weakness in S&P 500. So this particular bar, this is not a reversal weak bar. I just made a video on a reversal pattern, so please do check out those educational videos. So this is definitely not a reversal week or bearish week. So as of now, S&P 500 is above 820, 500, 50, and all above moving average, and positively moving up. So there is no point. There is no sign of reversal on S&P 500, which is seen as of now. So this is looking good, and that is mainly because again US 10 government bond 10-year yield has come down, has taken a resistance at 20 bar, and it has gone down, and now it is in comfortable range of 1.579. So this is altogether a very good sign for all the equity market globally. And now when we look into dollar index has also on 20 bar moving average come down, and here you see a perfect wick. This is a bearish wick, so this is a reversal sign. It means that this will go down. So the length of the wick is 3 to 4 times the length of the body, and the closing percentage is also less than 35. So, and it has happened exactly at 20 bar moving average. So dollar index is going down, so this is also a good sign. So globally we do not see any sign of reversal. Let's keep that in background, and so far things are looking quite good. So now when we look on Lalaji on weekly basis, we had a fantastic 2 week. uh, in this week also we had a minimum of 15,143, and we almost are have touched all time high and might have closed above all time high, which is 15,435. Now when we see on weekly basis, Lalaji is close above 8, above 20, above 15, above 200. So definitely in uptrend, no doubt about this. On but definitely overstretch. So let's not forget that. And now when we look into daily basis, since this is a weekly wrap video, let's have a look into next week levels. So here also Lalaji is an uptrend and solid uptrend. From many days it has not even touched its 8 bar moving average. So above 8, above 20, above 15, above 200. So moving average wise uptrend. And the key important level for Lalaji for the coming week on the bottom side is now Lalaji has a very strong support at 15,350, which is a weekly L3, and a weekly pivot which is at 15,350. Then the next support will come. Strong support is coming at 15,100, which is also my magical blue line and dark green line. I use a very simple trade setup. If you want to know more about my trade setup, then check out my video called Trade Setup. So 15,100 is another good support for a market. So first support is at 15,350, and second support at 15,100. Now on upside, market has a potential to go up to 15,600 with the first resistance at 15,525. If 15,525 is broken comfortably, then definitely 15,600 is on horizon in this week. So that's how the weekly levels are, and on daily basis, market is definitely looking in uptrend. Now on 15-minute chart, when we look, what we see is that market has closed, Lalaji has closed above, just below 8, but taken a support on 20 and above 50. So definitely an uptrend. So the trend is consistent, and the trend is up with no sign of reversal in any time frame. So this is gonna be, this bull run is it looks like that is gonna last long. Let's see. We are not here to predict the market. We as a trader, we should know when to enter and when to exit. So for Monday, The official strategy is definitely buy on dip. But before we get into that, let's see CPR. So when we look into CPR, we see the market profile for Monday, that is CPR, is way above Friday's market profile. So this is also a very good sign. So the trend is confirmed that the trend is bullish. Now, one thing to note for Monday is the range of width of the CPR. So this is a very narrow CPR. It means that Monday has a full potential to become a trend day in any direction, and that will depend majorly upon where the market is opening. So if you see SGX right now, the SGX is currently at 15444, which is just above the pivot somewhere here. And H4 for market is at 15457. H3 is 15457. H4 is 15477. So if market opens above pivot as it is showing now, then it is buy on dip market at L3, which is 15415, which is also S1 previous day low and 50 bar moving average. So this will become a very good support for market. So buy on dip towards 15,400 is a good opportunity. And the second support is at 15,350. So one lot can be bought here. If it goes further down, the second lot can be bought here, and then you can go for a upside move for target of 15,469 or even 15,525. Now, if for any reason the market opens below pivot, then it becomes a sell on rise at 15,469. Any rise towards 15,469 or 15,477, which is H4, and H3 is 15,457. So 15,457. Yeah. So anything about anything going towards 15,450 could be a good sell. So we open above pivot, which is at 15,434. It's buy on dip at 15,400. If it opens below pivot, then it's sell on rise at 15,450 for a target of 15,350. So that's my trade plan for Monday. I hope these discussions have added value to your trade setup and trading ideas. Please consult your financial advisor before you take any trade. Now let's look into what happened on Friday. So on Friday, as as per my trade plan, the market opened gapped up and remained on. This was H4 for Monday. Now the levels have changed and it hovered almost around the same level for a whole day. Somewhere on this red bar, I tried to take a P, but nothing happened much, and then I exited on this particular green bar. Almost around 500 rupees lost here, but almost nothing happened here, and I did not take any position home. And if you see my entire May month, as of now, I have made around 30,000. So capital is safe. More profitable day than red. So things are improving. So my discipline of sticking to two lot is helping me. The current idea is not to lose a capital. Idea is to improve on entry, trade management, and profit booking, and just focus on Nifty. Let's not play more trade as of now. So that's the idea. What was the learning for Friday? Learning is very simple that whenever you enter a market, you should have a reason to enter a market. Without a reason, do not enter. So trade what you see, not what you think. Stays. I hope you guys are having a good weekend. Stay healthy. Wear a mask. Jai Hind.